Good day, M4728. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Eliosa Santiglia. I'm 44 years old, married, just with three children, ages 20, 19, and 15. I am a college undergraduate, took up BS Psychology,
And you're
and I'm a Roman Catholic.
okay. You have experience being a helper in Kuwait. What are your main duty and responsibility?
My main duties in my previous employers are taking good care of kids, washing, ironing their clothes, cleaning, car washing, and marketing.
And you have also experience here in the Philippines. As a
Yes.
helper, what are your main duty?
My main duties in my employer here in the Philippines are washing clothes, cleaning the house, preparing food, and marketing.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby in your employer in Kuwait, right? How do you prepare the milk for a newborn baby?
I make sure that my hands are clean, sterilize the bottles before putting the exact amount of warm water and milk, and then shake the milk and give to the baby.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I make sure to I make sure to change the diapers and get the temperature if there is a fever.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong offers a high salary compared to other countries and for the better future of my children.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my 2 years contract or as long as my employer wants me to stay.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I know some, sir.
What kind of Chinese food can you cook?
I can cook steamed fish, steamed chicken, vegetables, stir and fried vegetables, chicken in sweet and sour sauce, and sapsuri.
Okay. Um, if the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your helper in your family. I am hardworking and responsible. I will always obey and follow your instructions. I can do all household works even without your supervision. And I will and I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you.
Okay, thank you very much. M4728 Miss Eliorosa de Guia.
Thank you and have a nice day, sir.